just to explain that Jessica Ann Mancao Magno is my real name. So it's an acronym of my, my nickname is an acronym of my real name. So of course it was Ja Magno. And then Ja Magno is being used by like a lot of people. But my real name is Jessica Magno, so which is where this live is on now. And I figured it was a great idea being suggested by my follower on here to do a live daw on my real account to show people like what my real account is. So this is my real account. I'm not feeling well as of right now. If you can hear the background, it's also raining here in Cebu. I arrived yesterday. I spent about 2 weeks in Butuan City for the holidays. So I spent Christmas and New Year's back home. I have not done that in a very long time. Like the last time I think that we spent Christmas and New Year's. Hi. Okay, I'll talk about that. For skincare, I don't know if you watch me on the other app, but I always do my skincare and I always do my lives while I do my skincare. So now I am using a mixture of Korean and American skincare. When I was here in Cebu, I did Japanese with Hada Labo, and then everything else are like from Korean skincare. Hi. I like your Sola purchase. Thank you. Oh my god, it was actually super expensive. At first I was like, okay, so is this purchase going to be like, am I going to enjoy this purchase given that, you know, I'm not going on any dates? But when I saw it and I put it on and I'm like, ha, oh my gosh, I actually like it. Thank you. Pero grabe, it was such a struggle to put on. It was such a struggle to put on. It's so funny. Like, Tita Cherry and I, because literally it was this small when I got it. Like now it's in the other room. Ang ani lang siya kagamay and you have to like squeeze your entire persona into that dress. So grabe. Thank you so much. So yeah, this is just to prove, this live is just to prove that this is my real account and not the other like one that has more followers. Like I really don't, honestly, I don't care if the other one has more followers. It doesn't really matter. Actually I'm changing my nails na. We're choosing whether we're gonna do nails that will fit Tony's birthday or I'll do it na lang after my Siargao trip. Yeah, I'm still thinking because I'm leaving for Siargao. Hopefully the weather is okay in Siargao. I have to wait for my friend to give me an update. So thank you so much. I appreciate that, Miss Jennifer. Yes. No. It's not done yet. We just arrived yesterday. So the decluttering will happen siguro after the 20th pa. Because I'm so busy. So 8 to 13 I'll be in Siargao. And then 15 to 20 my family's gonna be here for Tony's like birthday week celebration. So 21 onwards pa. Because my next trip is February 3 and then 11 to 16. So kana pa nga mga times ko. Yeah. Thank you so much. Jana, yeah, he's a January baby. Oh my gosh. Actually, wa pa ko ligo. I woke up at 6. So, mo to nag-video kung ganina nagduwa ka buok. And then, nibangon na si Tony, kaya nag-lunch na siya. So, Tony's downstairs. He's downstairs. He's with Tita Cherry. Ga-live ko per me, but dito sa Pikas, dili dire. Ga-live man ko per me. Like, mag-skincare ko, magkuhan ko, live jud ko per me. Dito sa Pikas. Basta sa Pikas. Sa Pikas nga, sa Black app. Black, ako nag-i-black, black man ang logo. So, muna siya. Thank you. Lagi no. Na-enjoy mo gud na ako nga single ko kay ang gasto man gud na ako sa akong like ang gasto na ako para sa mali na taon na padung na manggod. Ay dili ganahan man ko sa mga tablecloth nga colors. Ganahan siya ko ganahan ko sa gingham blue. Ang kato lang red ang murag dili kaayo and then I'll sell it. Kung dili na ako ganahan, I'll just sell it for like 100 pesos. Ano siya problema, oy? Yeah. Wala dyan problema. I'll wear it once or twice. Like, kaning suoton na ako sa Siargao. Once or twice, and then ako na ibaligya. Ah, nara good. Dili good kay ko. Dili kay ko ga-keep og super, like, oh, yeah, I have my most expensive one in my closet is a Dolce & Gabbana, like, blouse and skirt. And then, maura. And then usually, ang akong ginagamit for like travels na ako, which is Uniqlo. Ako mga heat tech. And then ako yung mga sanina from Thailand. Like, nakita mo to ninyo na I bought a lot of stuff. Wala man siya access sa ako. So I don't really care kung gaon sa akong ex. Wala siya access sa ako So, lagi, ali, diri. I have 1, 2, 3, 5 tattoos. Ate Joy, love you. Kani si Ate Joy kagan ba? Makigpatay, dyan ni siya para nako. Love you. Hi, Miss Elsie Lins. Okay, wala gid na ako gitago. Wala na ako gitago like how I lost 30 pounds. 35 pounds actually. Wala na ako na siya gitago, ma'am. Let's start with number 1. Let's start with peptides. Okay? So I was on 4 different peptides for like skin, for weight loss, for wellness, for overall. So I did that. And nalipay ko because ni work yun siya sa kuha. Because, number 1, I got it from a doctor. Wala dyan ko nang yawat, wala ko nagpataka. I went through the process yun of getting peptides yun from the right person, number 1. Daghan na magod kay peptides karon being sold nga grabe gid kay kabarato, like maka-stress ang kabarato. Pero maulagi na, if you don't know what you put into your body, kanang yawat lang ka kay barato, hadlok po na siya, besh. Kaya ang akong gibayaran manggod is actually the time with the doctor nga weekly, actually almost every other day me consult with what happened to me. So grabe gid si Doc Luigi Gorea sa ako ang journey. Grabe gid kay siya ka-integral. We started off with a general checkup when I arrived here in Cebu. Gisabay manggod na ko siya. So I had a general checkup pag abot na ako dito sa Cebu. I contacted syempre ang ako mga doctors that will, manage whatever it is that I was going through. So, I know that I had PCOS and I had recovered from it. Napa ko sa Butuan. So, pag abot na ko dali, I switched to Dr. Medal, which is like my OB, current OB. And then I told her that I was really getting, na siya sa ako, like, who do you get from and who's going to be managing the symptoms. So, giingnan ako siya that I have a general GP, si Doc Luigi Gorea, and then ano siya, okay. So, I got all my tests, I did all my lab work, I did my x-ray, I did my, trans-V, gikumplituhan dyan ko og testing, tanan. And then, mo to, nagsugod ko. And then, weekly gyud ang ako ang, and then, aside sa ma'am, kuan sad gyud ko, ga supplements ko. Kay dili magud siya pwedeng tapos dili na nimo apilan og supplements, which is like the probiotics, the magnesium, the vitamin C. Ako pod, I get B12 shots for nerves. I also get like a vitamin drip, like a vitamin C drip. Mao bitaw ning nahitabo sa ako ron nga nagkasakit ko because naundang ko og 2 weeks kay niuli biya kog Butuan.